Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video is surprise why have a pre-house filter. So there's a number of reasons I'll show you visually. Before you get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon to notify new videos, and I really appreciate that thumbs up. Thank you very much. Alright, so I turned off the water already to start. I just want to emphasize always turn off the water when you do water works in the home. And also you want to turn on the faucets to relieve the water and the pressure down in the bathroom or kitchen. Then you want to press the red button and also turn counterclockwise. I already pressed the red button on this unit already, so turn counterclockwise. Might be worthwhile to also have a pail or some kind of bucket to hold the water. This is the red button to relieve the pressure. So when you turn it. The other thing you want to do is probably replace the O-ring to a new one. Voila! So this is the reason why you want to replace the filter. And this is only 3 months use, okay? It's really dirty and the water is really dirty. Do you really want to be drinking that dirty water? So that's the big question, right? And you want to rinse this out, change the filter, and here's the new filter. This one is a GE one, GE system. There's other systems that do pre-house filters. And you just take the wrappings off of this over here. And it's very simple to do. Drop it in. And you want to replace the O-ring after so many uses. And you want to put some lubricant on it as well too. Just like that. Bring it to over here. Make sure it's all lined before you put it in. I'm going to fast forward a little bit so you know what it is. You got thread it in correctly, then it'll be stuck when you take it out. So make sure you thread it in correctly. So just turn. See, I want to show you the problems I ran into as well too. So other folks that installing these filters is not an easy job, but I don't want to make the video too long in particular. So, but once you get it going, then it's gonna work well. So make sure the threads are all the way in when you turn it. And later on, you're going to use the wrench to tighten it up. So there we go. And use the wrench. Give it one nut tightness. Well, what big turn it is. And a little small one over here. There you're good. So make sure you change your pre-house filter. Otherwise, be drinking the dirty water. Hope this video helps you out. Really appreciate a thumbs up. Comment to share, please, below. And remember to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.